Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Mercari unboxing. I randomly just search, see if I can find purses that I like, that are no longer in the making. And this one, I don't know what year it came out, but it's definitely a cute bag. I just oohed and awed over it when I opened it, and I said, well, let me record it because it was packaged so well. So y'all, this is such a pretty cute bag. It's so girly. But first it did come with a beautiful thank you card, and take it all the way out. Again, it was packaged with bubble wrap at the bottom and over the top. Y'all, this is a new Bitsy. Isn't it so cute? I said if I had a little girl, oh my goodness, it would be over, because he would definitely be carrying my Bitsy purses. But it's gonna be me that's carrying them. So I think it's just called a heart Bitsy. I'm gonna look at the hang tag. So it was considered new with tags, and let's see, try to bring it close to see. It has white heart, spelled H-A-R-T, Bitsy bag. But y'all, this is so cute. And I do want to, I thought about finding the charm. I saw a charm on Facebook that had the classic, the heart with the Dooney Bourke inside, and I think it was pink, but I don't know if it's sold yet. So I may go back and see if I can find that, because it would definitely go cute with this purse. But the bottom, the trim around the bottom is it's like a light navy colored, or maybe a marine Saffiano leather trim. It does have gold stitching, and the hearts are in almost every color, it looks like. And I really love this one here that has the Dooney Bourke inside of the heart. Let's look inside. The pull tabs and the handles are also the blue Saffiano leather as well. And the Bitsy, y'all, is such a cute purse. And this is the crossbody strap or shoulder strap. And this is the inside. I don't know, like I said, when this purse came out, I may try to look it up and see if maybe QVC had a video. I don't think I saw anything on QVC. To kind of give you an idea of how many years old it is. But that's the inside. Even though it's a really small purse, it does still hold a good amount of items. And I'll link my video below of my first Bitsy bag that I purchased, which was the black hydrangea monogram purse. And so this is another one to add to the mix, y'all. I did not expect to end up with a Bitsy collection when I got my first one. Then I ended up getting the Whimsy, finding that one, and then the watercolor Bitsy as well. But this one, believe it's just called the Hearts Bitsy bag in the color white. And so I hope you all like it. It's definitely a cutie. Very cute purse. Very girly. And fun to carry. This definitely will look cute with some blue jeans and a cute top. Maybe a bright top, one of these colors. Or even like a denim dress. Or a red dress. Any of these colors it will look cute with. And probably some white sandals. that would actually bring out the background as well. So another fun, cute silhouette and color and print in the Bitsy bag. I hope you all like it. Let me know if you all have added any Bitsy's to your collection. The Bitsy's that are out now, I believe, are currently the hydrangeas out in the black and the blue. The watercolor Bitsy still out online on the Dooney website, as well as I think it's called the Sullivan, and then the other one is called C something. I can't remember the name of the other print for it. But anyway, Bitsy bags, definitely classic silhouette. It's a miniature zip purse, and I definitely love this fun print and colors and pattern. Who doesn't love hearts? So comment below again, y'all. Let me know if you've picked up a Bitsy recently or what your favorite Bitsy print is. And I look forward to seeing you all's comments. Thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. I really appreciate it. I will see you all in the next video. And as always, have a wonderful day.